Hello, and welcome back to 10-Minute Meditations for Less Stress and More Joy. This is Lauren Lapointe. Thank you so much for being here. In the section ahead, we're going to look at some of the benefits of meditation. We'll also look at some of the challenges that are commonly faced in meditation. And I'll give you some tips for how to start a meditation practice. And it might be a good idea at this point just to start to think about what it is in particular that interests you about meditation. So there may be certain benefits that really appeal to you. And you may want to go ahead and write these down because as you start to learn and practice meditation, there may be days when you feel a little discouraged or you just want a reminder of why it is you're here practicing meditation. Okay, so have fun with that. I look forward to seeing you in the section ahead. Thanks so much for being here and see you soon.